What's going on YouTube? It's Dustin from Bold Up Investors. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. Today I'm going to be showing you how to recognize an inverted head and shoulders pattern and how to trade it so you can maximize your profits. This is a pretty great strategy. I've used it a lot and found that it has a very high success rate when I use it. I'm going to show you guys a few things that you want to really look for closely when you're looking at this pattern just to make sure that you can maximize your profits. So the first thing you want to look for is a downtrend in the stock. So we've got our downtrend right here. Then it hits this support, which is going to be our left shoulder formation right here. Rips back up, hits this resistance line, falls back down into a downtrend, and then it finds support right here at this head. And the key thing you want to look for here is to make sure that the head is lower than the shoulder in this pattern. So in this case it is. That's great so far. Rips back up again and hits this resistance line right here, short-term downtrend again. Then it finds another low right here, which is going to be your right shoulder. And you always want to make sure that your right shoulder is above your head and also above your left shoulder. And making sure that it's above the left shoulder is really key because it just shows that the stock is a lot stronger at this moment than it was back here. So that really kind of shows you that there's a lot of strong buyers in this and they're not going to sell out quickly if the stock gets into trouble. So once it finds this right shoulder right here, rips back up, and then your buy point is going to be right here on this neckline of the right shoulder. As soon as it breaks that right shoulder, you want to buy. And when you want to take your profits, let's say this start of the left shoulder right here is $25. You're going to want to take your left shoulder price and then subtract it by the head price, which is the low down here. So let's say, oh, sorry, this is should be 20. So let's say this is 20 and this is 10. You're going to want to go 20 subtract 10. And then let's say the stock breaks out right here at $25. You're going to want to add that $10. That's going to be your profit taking target. So you're going to take profits at $35. And if you want to be a little bit more risky, you can take profits later too. In this situation, it would have worked out, but it's not always guaranteed that it's going to go all the way up here. So it's safe to take profits here. Maybe if you want, you can take half of your profits here, half of your profits up here. Whatever your investing strategy is, it varies from investor to investor, but I like to take profits right at this $35 level. And just to show you guys that this actually works, I've got a daily CGC chart here. And as you can see, it's in a downtrend. Finds some support right here on this left shoulder. Rips back up, hits this resistance line, goes down, finds a head right here. As you can see, this head is lower than this left shoulder right here, so that's great to see so far. And then it rips back up, hits this rejection line a few times, finds its right shoulder right here. And as you can see, that's higher than this head right here, so that's a great sign. That's a good bullish sign. And then eventually it breaks through this resistance line right here. That's going to be your buy point. And I believe this was actually around 21.50, and then it hit this high point right here of $26 in 3 days. So you're making a 20% profit in 3 days. Doesn't get much better than that. And the important thing here again to look at is to see that this right shoulder here in the bottom is higher than this bottom in the left shoulder right here. So that just shows you that the stock is stronger at this point in time, and the chances of breaking out of this level right here are a lot higher. So that's just the really big thing to look for when you're trading this strategy. Hope that helps you guys out in looking at the inverted head and shoulders pattern. As always, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have a request for a video you want me to do, then let me know in the comments, and have a good day.